understand when we get into the business, right? We do whatever we can to just go. So there's nothing against that when it comes to getting subscriptions, but just realize that when you press the go button and you just do whatever you think is the most affordable, that it'll cost you more money some other day to fix it, which is okay. We've all been there. So it's all about whatever your budget is. But just know going into this that if you start with a subscription model, which I am not against, but someday you will grow a team, and that team will have requests and needs and wants, and the market will change, and how you operate and what products you do will change. And so you will need to be able to customize your ability to do business. So in my opinion, I think that you will go places much faster if your CRM can adapt to your needs faster than your competitors. So if you're using the same subscription model as 3,000 other people, then guess what? You're going to move just as fast as those 3 other people. You won't move ahead of them. So that's just a couple of things that I am a big believer on when it comes to CRMs. And then also there are definitely subscriptions out there that do also allow you to customize along the way, which I think is amazing. But you still need then the tech support people to do that work. So I recommend that whatever community you involve yourself in, which I hope that anyone, no matter what business they're running, they involve themselves in a mentorship community to get you faster, further, more money quicker, that they are providing you that type of support and resources, or the referral to find that type of support and resources, or you're just going to move just as fast as everyone else.